Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In Turkey's earthquake, many people's lives have been affected by this great calamity. Rescuers are working around the clock to clear the rubble. And in addition to the government forces and volunteers in Turkey, hundreds of people from other countries have also gone to Turkey and are trying. But in the meantime, celebrities have also taken on an important role and have done unique things to help people. Apparently, something interesting has happened in Turkey, and regarding the recent earthquake, and celebrities have agreed to leave the whole work to one person instead of entering the scene individually. Haluk, Lunet, who has millions of fans and is very popular in Turkish society by establishing a civil and humanitarian organization called AHBAP Derneği, has become the most important center for collecting financial aid for Turkish artists, superstars, celebrities, every artist and famous person who wants to help the earthquake victims will contact him. Merih Demiral, a player of the Turkish national football team who plays in the Italian Atlanta team, gave financial aid to the earthquake victims of 10 provinces of the country in another way. Former teammate, world-famous champion Cristiano Ronaldo announced that Ronaldo said he was sorry for what happened in Turkey and that he will sell Ronaldo's signed Juventus shirt in his collection. Proceeds from this auction will be donated to the Friends Association funded by Haluk Lunet to be used in the earthquake zone. Thanks for watching us until the end of the video. Please don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe.